You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation of this name, Italian for Victor. How do you say it? The Italian pronunciation is as Vittorio. By the way, if you want to learn more Italian pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You need to watch next. So we've got a double T, meaning that you need to stress on that T and make it twice as long. Vittorio. That's Italian pronunciation. Vittorio. Vittorio. All right. It's almost like there's a K, but there's no K sound, right? It's not Victor or Victorio. It's Vittorio in English. Therefore, you can simply say English pronunciation Vittorio. Vittorio from Italian Vittorio. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.